Hi everyone, my name is Yang Lu, the founder of Lu Consulting. The company is based in Denmark and with contact office in China. Lu in Chinese means road and getaway. We aim to facilitating the cooperation between the Scandinavian and Chinese companies. We are specialized in clean tech and welfare tech. In this area, Denmark has strong competitive edge and China with great potential market. With Chinese enterprises go global, we also help them in involving merger and acquisition with the Nordic companies. We are also agent for China Import Expo Kunshan 2015, a premium platform to showcase your products and technologies in environmental protection, automation, and consumer goods. So you will have access to the decision makers and professional buyers and investors. We are looking forward to cooperating with you in the near future and wish you a prosperous 2015. Okay, see you next time.